Welcome to the Vozo tutorial. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to rewrite and redub your video using Vozo. First, upload your video. Click the Rewrite and Redub button and upload your video. Select your language and number of your speakers, or choose Auto. Vozo will automatically identify the speech for you. Then click the Continue button. Your video is uploading. The transcribing process will take 1 to 3 minutes, so let's skip the wait. Okay, we're now in the Vozo dashboard. You can see 3 main sections here. The one on the left is our transcript. Here you can find all your speech. On the right is our preview window, where you can check your dub and lips in the videos. Below is our timeline, where you can adjust your speech. So what can we do with Vozo? We have this lady from Oklahoma who was famous a couple of years ago. Let's check it out.
My friend came to the door. She said, well, I was on the phone cooking breakfast for me and my baby. And she said, hey, something wrong, it's popping. I said, what? She said, yeah.
Okay, stop. The first thing Photo can do is change a sentence or word in the speech. Try this one. Let's change friend to partner. Okay, and let's change a whole sentence, like this one. So the girl, let's change it to boy. Come downstairs. Let's change it to upstairs. Okay? You can see now 2 changes have been made. You can continue your changes, but if you're satisfied with this video, just click the update speech. Okay, done. Let's have a look.
My partner came to the door.
You see, the friend has already been changed to partner. And let's check out this sentence.
So the boy came upstairs. So the boy came upstairs. So the boy came upstairs.
Isn't that amazing? The redub is almost perfect, but the lady's lip isn't synchronizing enough. You can just go to the lip sync window and click the lip sync button. You may wait for a while sometime because there are a lot of people queuing up on our site. But don't worry, let's go back to redub and find something fun with the timeline. You can see the toolbar here with the speed, volume, and pitch buttons. You can also delete anything you dislike, like this one. I just deleted this sentence. And you watch this video and know this lady speaks so fast, but you may want to push this lady further to a crazy fast level, so we can adjust her speech speed by clicking this speed button. Let's speed it up.
She said, well, I was on the phone cooking breakfast for me and my baby. And she said, hey, something wrong?
Okay. You can see it's pretty fast now, but what's more interesting thing is that you can just drag the block here. You can make it slower. It's normal speed now, and you can make it faster. You can see it's too fast. What about volume? You may think this lady's volume is not high enough, or just too low. You can adjust the volume here.
It's popping. It's popping.
And also the pitch here.
It's popping.
Okay, after all is done, maybe it's time to export your video. You can click the export button on the top right side. Choose your dubbed video or lip synced video, because we haven't finished video lip sync at this moment, so we can only choose redubbed video. You can just click export. The videos are preparing to be exported, and the whole process will take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, export completed. You can click the download button. That's all for today's video about Vozo. Give Vozo a try and write your own stories today.